What's up, Hey Nation? So today I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be making some slime. So today I have a gallon of glue. So I'm going to be telling you guys what I need. I need a gallon of glue. And for my color, I'm going to be using black. Just for the specialty, I'm going to be using some yellow glitter. And I'm going to be, on my activator, it's going to be baking soda. And contact lenses. I'm sorry about the bottle. I'm just using this today. And then to make it stretchy, I'm going to be using some Dove Deep Care Complex lotion. It was the lotion. So now let's get into it. So first thing, for all of you guys that are beginners with slime, first thing you want to do is add in just a tad bit of glue, or how much gets it in your container that you have. I'm going to be using like that, about this much. And I'm going to put my sticking, and then I'm going to add in like a teaspoon of baking soda. Yeah, I know how to measure, guys. Yeah, I know how to measure it. Okay, so add about, hold on, let me try to see if I can show you guys. I can't show you guys, but it's right here. That's how much I added in. And now I'm just going to mix that up. Just mix it in good. And now I'm going to add in some lotion. Just about a tablespoon. I'm going to mix that in. Then, coloring is optional. I'm going to be mixing it. Now, coloring is optional. Hold on, let me show you guys what it's looking like. Coloring is optional, but I'm going to be adding in some black coloring. We'll just pop this open. I'm going to add in just about maybe 2 drops. Right here. And we're going to close that back up. And then we're going to mix. I would add in some more if I need it, but I think I do need some more. Sorry guys if I'm moving too fast for you guys. We're going to add in some of the black paint. So let's just pop this open. And then, like I said, just mix it up. Keep mixing. And then I believe I want to make this like a marble color, so yeah. So I'm gonna add in some white. I believe I put white in here. Just white. So I'm gonna add in some white paint. Just a little. And I'm gonna add in just a little bit of glitter. drops of white, and now I'm gonna add in just some yellow glitter. So as you can see, I already added it in, and I'm gonna sprinkle out that much, maybe just a little more. Maybe that's enough. I'm gonna screw that back on. Okay. Now we're gonna mix that, and we're not going to mix it all the way. We're just gonna mix it just a little bit. So yeah. Hang on. Okay. And now we're gonna just mix that. This is good too. Okay guys, so we're just gonna mix it in all the way. It's still gonna show marble. Oh, this looks great. I need it black. I need it really black, like the black that's showing. So now I'm going to activate, and I'm going to add in just a tad bit, of contact solution, because we don't want to sleep really hard and stuff. And then after we add in that little bit of contact lens solution, we're going to mix and just keep adding it in until it starts to form. And trust me guys, if you don't add the baking soda in, then it will not form. But if you do add pure baking soda, then it definitely will work. So just add just a little bit of contact lens and just mix that up. And mine's is already starting to come together. It's already starting to come together. And all my songs that I have are good. I watched Joseph Anthony, I watched Karina Garcia. I know all of them. And I know how to make slime, guys. Trust me. I'm just going to keep adding in some contact lens solution. I've collabed with them before on her channel, so go check out Joseph Anthony and Karina Garcia. Oh yeah, and Talisa Tassel. She's a great, she does a lot of slime stuff, and I just love her stuff. And I'm waiting for the script that says I can collab with her. Yeah. So yeah, go check out her channel too. I'll link all of them down below. already 17, then I'm going to add just a little bit more consistency. Just a trim. Yes, already starting to come together. Yes, very good. This will be like a little messy if you don't know how to make slime, then it will be messy for you. But if you really know how to make slime, you'll only do like a little bit of stuff on it. A little bit of stuff on it. I just got this and this. So yeah. Oops. Got out the bowl, guys. No. Hopefully it comes back in. No. So now I think it's time to start mixing with my hands. So let's just take the stick out. Let's just get right into it. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna move this towel. I'm gonna just dump this into here. Yeah.